your own words so you can be able to understand what the question is asking you. If you can turn the question to a statement, then you kind of understand what the question is asking you. What is A? What is A? You're going to answer the question. They don't want your opinion. They want what the book says. They want what the book says. This is everything pertaining to keep you on topic. Somebody tell me what is C? Just cite the evidence. What do you do when you put citing the evidence? Do you just say, I think, or something like that? What do you put in when you are citing evidence, Ms. P?
For example.
You're going to say, for example. What else are you going to say? In the story says, what else you going to say? The author says, page or paragraph. Why do we do that? Why do we have to cite the correct evidence where it's from? Why do we have to do that, Dejan?
So they can know where the words came from.
So they can know where the words come from, but if we don't do that, then they're saying we're doing what?
Still in the author's words.
We're still in the author's words. You can't do that. If you work hard on something, you do not want somebody else to take your information, take credit. Good job. And what is E for, Shakira?
Explain.
You have to explain. Just because you answered it, you restated, you answered it, you cited some evidence, they want you to explain. They want you to explain what you think about it. So this is where you say, I think, or for example. Now you don't have to stay with the story. You can use other stories that show the same kind of information or the same kind of evidence that this story did. So you don't have to stick to this story, okay? Okay? Okay, let's go ahead and get started in preparing our graphic organizer. Now, if we only have one box for C, but we want more evidence, but we don't have enough room, what are we going to do? This is where we problem solve. What are we going to do, Ms. Hall? Just put an extra C's on the back. Put extra E's on the back. What generalization can we say about James Naismith? If we want to go ahead and put R, what generalization can we say about James Naismith? Can somebody restate the question for me? Somebody restate. Yes. Okay, that's one. Let's hear another one. What can you say, Harley?
Something that we can generalize about James Naismith is...
Okay. We can generalize about James Naismith is, so we can generalize. Paragraph form, and you already did the hard work here. You put the question, you restated the answer, restated the question, answer it, cite some evidence, and put the E for example, and this is where you can put your different stories, okay? Alright, let's go ahead and put this inside of our book for tomorrow, and then we can go ahead and get started. What's R again?
Restate the question.
What's A?